So I learned this budget-friendly strategy from one of my mentors, and this is the best and the cheapest strategy with Facebook ads that I have come across in a long time. And this is a strategy that will allow you to build your warm audiences very fast, get eyeballs on your content very fast for just pennies on the dollar, and allow you to book calls or sell your products and services. So let me walk you through and you'll see how cool this strategy is. Okay, so this strategy has 3 tiers, and each tier can contain as many pieces of content as you want, and videos can move tiers if they perform really well. So this strategy has 2 variations. One is for high ticket offers, offers where you want people to book a call with you. So you're going to be sending them to your application or calendar. And this one has 3 tiers that we're gonna go through. And the second variation is for a local business or e-com, where we would generally skip the second tier and we'll go from tier 1 to tier 3. All right, now tier 1 is generally a tier where we're building our audiences with engagement ads. And this is the tier where we're going to be putting out video content. So we're going to put out 2 to 3 videos that are a little bit longer. What I've learned from my mentor, these videos need to be between 3 and 5 minutes, because otherwise the KPIs don't work that well. Because, for example, we are going to be building warm audiences of people that are watching 25% of our videos. So if you have a 3 or 4 or 5 minute video and somebody is watching 25%, they are probably interested in what you have to say. But if your video is 40 seconds or 60 seconds and somebody is watching 25%, this is only like 15, 20, 25 seconds, which is nothing. So generally make sure that your videos are a little bit longer. Okay, so in this tier, we're also testing our video content. We're testing our lead magnets, and if you've already gone through the audience building strategy, this is where we're offering our companion guides, which is the actual lead magnets. So you're going to be testing those, and you're also going to be testing your cold audiences, because tier 1 is going directly to stone cold audiences. And we're going to kind of wait until we have 5,000 impressions, and if the KPIs are not met, we are going to be changing the videos, or we'll be testing different audiences. And if you've never done ads, it's all about testing. You wouldn't know, even if you know that, for example, Tony Robbins is the person that has all your audiences, you still need to test and see if this is true and if the content you're producing is actually engaging this audience. The KPIs for tier 1 are: we want to have through plays under 15 cents, and we want to have 100% of video views under $1. Now, I've had some unicorn videos that have hit 9 cents for 100% video views, and I have built very large audiences very fast, very cheap. So you're always going to try and create videos that have 100% views for under $1. If you can get for under 60 cents or 50 cents, that's even better. So the lower your video views are, the more audiences you're going to be building. The tier 2 videos and content is actually our offer, and these are conversion ads. The first tier were engagement ads, and the first tier has no button. We're not asking people to do anything more than if we have a lead magnet for this video, we're asking us to drop us a line and we can start a conversation in Messenger. And this is one way that you will be able to start conversations and possibly book calls and sell your offers without spending a lot of money. Because imagine if you spend $10 on your engagement ads and somebody put their hand up and said, yes, I want your free thing. Then you started the Messenger conversation and you got them on a call and then you sold them your $3,000 coaching program. That's pretty good, isn't it? And you did not have to send them through a funnel. You did not have to use the pixel, nothing. So this is tier 1. Tier 2, we are going to be using this tier for our high ticket offers. So if you're a local business, if you're e-com, if you're in retail, hospitality, you can skip that tier. You can do it, but you can also skip it. So we are going to be sending our conversion ads to everyone who's watched 25% of our video from tier 1. And you have two options here. You can either continue with just the video content, or you can mix up videos and image content. So these conversion ads can be an image or a graphic ad that is sending people to your application or your calendar, or they can still be pure videos. So with high ticket offers, we're going to do a direct pitch, we're going to do testimonials, and we're going to link those ads to your booking page, calendar, or application page. Depends on how it's structured for you. The KPIs we're looking for in tier 1 are, I'm going to go through them in just a second, but how you get to them. When you look at your business manager and look at your columns, the performance is the default selection by Facebook. But when you click on this little arrow, you are going to go down and select performance and clicks, and this will give you the KPIs we're looking for. So the KPIs we're looking for are CTR all, you can see it here, and the minimum we're looking at is 3% plus, ideally 4% plus. The CTR all is actually showing us if our ads are stopping the scroll, if people are starting to look at our ads and probably read the copy. The CTR link click-through should be a minimum of 1%, ideally 1.5%. And the CTR link click-through rate is showing us if our copy and our creatives are making people click through to go to the landing page. So always look at those KPIs. Now, sometimes, as you can see, this ad here, the CTR is under 3, but the link click-through rate is high. So if I have ads like this, I would basically keep an eye on them. If they start producing results, for example, if people are booking calls with you, or if they're taking your vouchers, I would keep it. But if they're not producing anything, I would be turning them off. And the tier 3 is our nurture and nudge strategy. And with tier 3, depending on how many people are in your audience and how much money you want to spend, you can test engagement ads, reach ads, or conversion ads. If you're a local business or in e-com, I would probably go with conversion ads. If you're in high ticket, if you're a coach, consultant, or course creator and you have a high ticket offer, I would probably test all 3 of them and see which one works for you, because I know so many ad coaches are telling you this is the exact ad you have to run because this works for me. But just because it works for them doesn't mean that it will work for you. My a mentor that showed me and taught me this strategy was telling me that one of her clients has achieved the highest results with reach ads, which is very interesting. Other people are getting the same results with engagement ads, and other people do need to run more conversion ads. All right, so we are going to target your whole warm stack. So we're still targeting the people who have watched 25% of all videos across the board. We are going to target people that that have engaged with your Facebook page, with your Instagram account. We are going to target your email list, and we're going to target people that have landed on any of your landing pages. And in here, again, we can be either running just videos to those audiences, or we can mix up videos and image posts. Again, it will depend highly on your business and how your audience performs. So for coaching and courses and consultants, you would generally create weekly videos that have gold nuggets in them. So there will be gold nugget videos, or you'll be going live, or you'll be creating great image posts that provide high value while nudging them to book a call. If you're a local business or an e-com, you can be running ads to weekly specials, weekly vouchers, events, user-generated content, and again, nudge people to either book a table with you if you're a restaurant, grab a voucher from you if you are a local business, a service-based business. If you are a cleaning business or a gardener, you can have weekly specials that you'll be nudging people to take up. And these ads can be run for as little as $2 per day. And this is the overall overview of those ads. As I said, this is one of the best strategy I have come across, and it works really, really well with very small budgets. I would say the minimum you should be spending is $500 a month, and you can also up it to about $1,000 a month. Of course, if you have a larger budget, you can use the same ad. The only difference would be that you'll be reaching more people, and you'll probably have quicker and better, and I don't want to say better results, but you'll be getting more people to either book calls with you, or to get you vouchers, or to book something with you. If you have any questions, let me know.